Hi there, this is Mrs. Reinhardt. I'm going to show you how Autumn can get onto her Google account. So very first off, I'm going to click on Google Chrome and I'm going to click on Gmail right here. And from here, this is my account. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to type in Autumn, AUTUMN dot KUTZLI at massillonschools.org. You have to type in at massillonschools.org or it will not work. Then you click next. And now you're going to put in her OBIE, capital OBIE, at 8121. And then I'm going to push next. Her account is definitely active. That's why I see her Google stuff here. I'm going to push next. I'm going to say okay. And then this is, I'm not going to save that. But from here, I can go, this is called your waffle. Click your waffle. And her Google Classroom is right here. It says Classroom. You click on it. And these are the classes that she has in here. So she has Miss Murphy, so she would have to push join for that. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact me or your teacher. Thank you and have a great day.